new update from Google to build your own voice AI agent apps. And it's really simple and easy. I'm going to share my screen. I'll show you exactly how to do it. You can actually do it for free inside AI Studio here. And if you go down to generate native speech with Gemini, you can start using it there. But the way that we're going to use it today is go down to the build section here. And you can see this native audio function called sandbox, right? And so essentially what you can do here, if we allow our microphone and then we click on start building, and then we'll X off this, you've actually got some system prompts here. But if we actually X off that, then we've got this custom support bot here. Now you can add features on the left hand side, but let's say, for example, I just want to start talking to the AI app. So you can see it's now streaming. And if we say, okay, what is the weather like today? So you can see how it can basically talk to us step by step, completely free using this AI voice app that we've built. Alright, so you can see how it works, and then you can essentially toggle the settings over here. Now you might be wondering, okay, why can you do this? Is this like a new feature or something like that? Well, actually, you can see here the Google AI developers released this new voice update. It's called the Gemini Live API, right? And it essentially allows you to build voice agents like you can see right here using this process. Here's another one. So if we play this
on September 17th, that is currently shipped. Are you referring to this order or a different one?
So you can see you can basically build your own customer support voice agent that streams in real time using this process, and it's really simple and easy. By the way, if you need help like just getting started with all this stuff, check out the AI Money Lab, link in the comments description. It's completely free, but it does come with a redonkulous amounts of trainings on Google Gemini and how to use it, including how to use AI Studio and build with it. You see we've got all these different free trainings inside the AI Money Lab. It's completely free. You see it's got like 42-minute video trainings, loads of different courses, and step-by-step SOPs on exactly how to use this stuff, how to build your own apps, etc. It's also got a community of 27,400 members, and also not just that, but you also get all of this stuff right here, right? And this is completely free inside the AI Money Lab. So make sure you check it out. You see what you get inside the classroom here. All of these trainings are free. Link in the comments description. Just grab it. You know, it's free. You can't go wrong. And I don't know how long we're going to keep it free, to be honest, because there's so much stuff in there, and it does cost me over $1,000 a year just to host it for you. So yeah, grab it while you can, peeps. So if we go back to AI Studio here, what you can see is that we've got this voice app, and then you can actually change the system prompts. So you could say inside the system prompt here, okay, you speak Spanish, something like that, right? And then if we go back here, let's test with that. I've never tested that as it works, but I'm just going to say, okay, do you speak Spanish? Do you speak Spanish?
¿Hay algo en lo que te pueda ayudar en España?
Sí, habla español.
Entendido. ¿Qué necesitas?
Quiero una mela.
No estoy seguro de a qué te refieres con un mail. ¿Podrías explicarme un poco más?
Quiero una mela grande.
Sigo sin entender a qué te refieres. ¿Podrías darme más detalles?
So basically, if you want to have a little conversation here, you can actually go back. Let's go back. And then we're going to go over here and we're going to say, okay, build me a voice agent app that teaches me Chinese. And I think with the new thinking method here, we should be able to build something pretty nice using that. It's building it out. Again, we haven't paid for this, right? But it's just working, it's magic. And I don't even code. But we can build apps pretty quickly using this process. Not guaranteed to work first time round, but a little bit of tweaking, a little bit of vibe coding, and we should be good to go here. So it's now coding this out. It's kind of like a free version of Bolt, by the way. Like it's very, very similar. It's coding it out in the same sort of format. And you can actually download the files here, so you can download the app and then launch it. You can also deploy it, and you can share it with other people too, right? And then it will find errors in the code and start editing those as well. So let's see what we get back now. In the meantime, let's go back to that AI voice agent here. So if we go back to AI Studio, build, native. I mean, you can build other stuff as well, right? There's all this crazy stuff. Like, for example, you can actually create, you've got here like a VO3 video generator. which is pretty crazy. So you can describe what video you want, add an image, and then it should generate it for you. Right? So for example, upload that. Let's say create an advert for this book. See if that works. So now you can see if we zoom out here, we've said create an advert for this book, and it's beginning to generate the video using Beta 3. So you've got like an image to video app essentially. So it's generated a video using that process. So we've kind of like animated the video. Honestly, it's not that impressive. I think you can generate better stuff with Beta 3. But we got sound effects on that. And it's created the advert that we want. That was pretty simple and easy. Now, our Chinese AI tutor doesn't seem to work. We'll say, hello. Let's say it doesn't seem to work when I input a word from the microphone. Take that book, turn this into a UGC advert. And then you've got your video generations here side by side, which is pretty cool. So you can watch them back, you can see all the videos you've created, etc. The cool thing about building inside here though is like it seems to understand the API better than it would if it was using something like Bolt, especially when it's a new API, right? The other thing you can do if you don't already know this is you can go to stream here and then you can share your screen. So for example, I could say, right, okay, share my entire screen here. Tell me what I'm looking at.
You're looking at a web browser with multiple tabs open. The current tab is open to Google AI Studio, showing the stream page with a live stream displayed and a prompt box at the bottom. There's also a smaller window showing a zoomed out view of the same content.
So if we X off that, I'm going to close that now, but basically you can stream your screen as well, and then you can use it. I just want to test this out. Hello? All right. In the meantime, if we go back to... Oh, there we go. There we go. We've built the... Amazing. Just ni hao. That's pretty cool. So we built out an app that actually works now. It's given us the Chinese characters. It gave us the translation, and it could also read it out as well. Cats. Mao. There we go. So, I mean, not SEO magic just yet, but we'll move on to that in a second. But you essentially see how we've just created a Chinese voice tutor completely free, right? And if we want to deploy that, we just click on deploy, and then you can just deploy it on Google Cloud, right? So you can upload, you can choose which project you want to deploy it to, and then boom shakalaka, you can deploy that. You can also share the app as well, so you can like save it and share it and that sort of thing. So for example, if we copy that, then we click the link, that should be shareable with anyone who wants to use it, right? And now you've got a Chinese voice AI agent that you can share with the world. Pretty cool. If we go back now, we can download that. We can also save it, so you can save that too, and then come back to it later. If you go inside build, for example, here, and then we're like, right, okay, build me a SEO keyword generator app, something like that. Okay? That should be able to start building it, and we're just coding this out. So let's see what we get back. In the meantime, let me show you something else that you can do. So something else you can do. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's already generated. Okay, we should be good to go. So let's put in our niche. Let's say, for example, I'm in SEO training. We're going to see what it comes back with for SEO training. So this is an AI SEO keyword generator, and basically enter a topic to instantly discover a comprehensive list of keywords to boost your search engine rankings, right? So it's given us a bunch of long tail keywords, related keywords, question-based keywords, commercial keywords, etc. And we've just built a keyword research tool that can easily generate this sort of stuff. Yeah, really quickly, like you can see. Question-based keywords, what is SEO training, how to start SEO training. Commercial keywords, buy SEO training course, so basically buyer intent keywords. And you built your own keyword research tool. And if you don't like it, you can just make any changes over here. But for a quick tool that you've built for free, not bad at all, is it? Not bad at all. Even the UI is probably nicer than most keyword tools, to be honest with you. So Ram says, hey bro, I can build multiple NA10 automations, but I'm going to show you how to package and deliver them to clients. Could you guide me on the best way to do this? Best way to learn that sort of stuff, my friend, is go to the AI Profit Boardroom. And once you're in there, we do weekly coaching calls where you can ask questions like that. But also inside the classroom here, if you scroll down, we've got the agency course here, right? And inside that agency course, it's going to guide you through step by step how to get clients, how to land leads, how to get sales. This is based on how we sell like AI automations to some of our clients for like 5K a month. And we have a consistent lead flow as well. We get over 300 leads a day from the stuff that we show inside the course. So I would recommend just checking that out. I mean, it's one thing to know NA10 automations, it's another thing to sell them. So that's why you need something like the AI Profit Boardroom to help you, really. And if you ever get stuck, you can post inside the community any questions you have, and then we're always happy to help you. You know, like you see how active the community is, how much stuff is going on. There's loads and loads of cool stuff inside there. So check it out. If you want to get all of this stuff, you can get it inside the AI Profit Boardroom. Like I was saying, like and if you want to get like the free trainings, just go inside the AI Money Lab. It's completely free. Doesn't cost you a penny. I want to show you some of the stuff that we've been showing recently inside here because, it's closed doors, right? You have to actually click on join to get access. But you can see, for example, we were publishing recently about like AI super agents from China. We got some competitions between Seed Dream and Nano Banana. We actually tested those out, and every single day we're just giving away new trainings. Like you can see here as well, we gave away if you join, there's actually a giveaway, a $10,000 giveaway inside the AI Money Lab, and this is for 90 days of SEO services for free, right? So you can just enter the competition. It shows you exactly how to do it, and then if you win, you get 90 days of free SEO services worth $10,000. So definitely worth checking this out. Completely free, as you can see. Loads of cool stuff here. Free app builders, free AI automation sessions, free LLM ranking sessions. Just so much crazy stuff going on in there. It's amazing. If you go inside the classroom here, you can see all these different trainings that we've got. If we go inside the new automations, you can see even like the latest new AI SEO tool from Wix. We actually covered and created like a full step-by-step tutorial inside the AI Money Lab, breaking down exactly how you can use it, how you can implement it step by step. It covers like the latest Google updates and that sort of thing. But it's basically all about, and it's all focused on saving you time, growing your business, getting you more traffic, getting you more customers, right? And it's all completely free to join. Eugen says, "Hi Julian, is Warp the best AI coder at the minute? If not, what AI coder is the best at the moment?" I mean, it depends what you want to do, right? If you want something basic where you can build out basic apps, like you see this Chinese voice tutor we built on the live stream, or that voice AI agent we built previously as well, and also the AI SEO keyword generator, we did a lot in 21 minutes, we did a lot. Well, if you want to learn how to use any of this stuff, just go to Gemini, go to AI Studio, right? If you want to learn how to use it properly, then just check out all the trainings inside the AI Money Lab, completely free, right? You can see all these different trainings here. So link in the comments description for that. And then finally, if you want like help, support, if you have questions, if you want to join a community of serious builders, then join the AI Profit Boardroom, because that's like the best place to learn like how to use this stuff. It's the only place I personally connect with people as well. And we also do 5 coaching calls a week. Plus, we show you how to land clients, how to set up automations, how to learn everything from scratch. So it's the best place to go. So yeah, basically that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Appreciate it as always. Join the AI Money Lab. Join the AI Profit Boardroom. And if you want to become a client of ours, if you want to hire us for AI automation, then book in an AI automation session. Link in the comments description. Appreciate you watching as always, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Bye-bye.